Okay, so I'm going to do my final project on PRAXIPOWER. PRAXIPOWER is a software company that provides services to private schools, public schools, and daycares. PRAXIPOWER provides interactive and online training sessions to ensure that each user understands the program to be able to use it inside of the classroom. The software provides customizable reports, administration, academics, and accounting all in one. How is it used inside of the classroom? The first section is admin. It allows you to see everything at one glance, administer rewards, create student forums, and view student history. Attendance. It allows you to track daily attendance of all students, use Tardy Wizard to view records, and create custom attendance reports. Classroom. Assign seats with visuals, keep track of grades and assignments, manage gradebook, lesson plans, and create notes for each student's file. Library. It allows you to manage your classroom library to keep track of checked in and out books. Medical. Track allergies, medicine, and incidents, and communicate these between all staff and parents. Parent and Student Portal. Allows for access to resources such as grades and assignments, view records, grades, attendance, and report cards. And then this little picture is an example of what PRAXIPOWER looks like. So you can see your attendance for that period, excused tardies, unexcused absences, all of that. It allows you to see grades and as well as test scores over here. And then this was my overall opinion. After looking through their website, reading reviews, watching tutorials, and noting everything the software has to offer, there are things I like and dislike about the program. One thing I really like is how organized you can be by having everything you could possibly need available to you on the program. I like the resource of being able to keep track of your classroom library. Having a classroom library encourages kids to read and try new books, so that is a way to stay organized. One thing I don't like about the software is that it does not allow you to access the resources without being accepted to receive the demo, which can take up to 48 hours to get a response. Then this is just the website of my resource. And then this is what the overall website looks like. So it has all of the features, it details everything that it has to offer. And then this is where you can request the demo before you are able to access everything and everything inside of it. And then this is another page that details each section and everything that the sections have to offer. So there's admin, accounting, attendance, your classroom, donors, grades, library, meals, medical, and the parent and student portal.